Hello from Legal Shield. We believe every business, including yours, deserves legal protection. But first things first, what is legal protection and why would you want it for your small business? Quite simply, for a low monthly cost, a legal protection plan gives you access to an attorney for a low monthly fee. Having access to an attorney can help you with all kinds of things you may not have even realized. Things ranging from hiring and firing, to equipment leases, from customer complaints to bad check recovery, and much more. An attorney can help you make the best decision for your business and your future, while ensuring you know your full legal rights. And that's always a good thing. So, legal protection for your small business is a smart choice. Now, why choose Legal Shield? For starters, Legal Shield has been in business for 40 years, and right now, over 34,000 businesses trust Legal Shield as their legal protection provider. Legal Shield has partnered with a dedicated full-service law firm in your state, which means two things. One, you'll never have to figure out which attorney to use since we've already done the legwork. And two, you'll always get an experienced attorney from your state dedicated to helping you and your business. Just pick up the phone and you'll be connected with a dedicated attorney experienced in the specific legal issue you want to talk about. So, what does your membership include? Legal consultation on unlimited matters, business law expertise, contract and document review, debt collection assistance, and more. And the minute you become a Legal Shield member, you're covered with 75 hours of trial and trial prep time per year. This means that if your business is named defendant or respondent in covered civil action relating to business, you'll have the peace of mind that a prepared, experienced attorney is on your side. In review, legal protection is good, and Legal Shield is the best. As a small business owner with 1 to 50 employees, you can enroll with Legal Shield for just $75 a month. Unexpected legal questions arise every day, and with Legal Shield on your side, your business will have access to a top-quality law firm for covered situations. Make the smart decision for your business and choose to give your business legal protection today for just $75 a month. Only with Legal Shield. Worry less, live more.